Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new KVD Beauty Good Apple Concealer. Now I want to be honest with you, if I seem rushed, it's because I am. We're getting trees cut down. We got five trees cut down yesterday. We're getting 4 more trees cut down today. And one of them is right in front of this window right here, like literally right here. And they're here right now, but they're in the back with the big bucket thing. So I don't know how long it's going to be before they get to this window. So I'm in a rush because I know once they get up here, you will not be able to hear a mother thing I'm saying. So I'm getting in, we're getting going. I know absolutely nothing about this concealer other than it's from KVD. I haven't watched any videos. I just ordered it because I really did like the foundation. It was just a little bit on the light side for me, which I'm terrified that I did the exact same thing with this concealer. Here's the box that it comes in. I love the packaging. I'm a packaging whore. Lightweight full coverage concealer. And here's the component. I love the way it feels. It feels high end. At first I thought this was like a little dropper, like, you know, a little dropper thing, but it's not. I did open it. I did swatch it. I love the little doe foot applicator. It's just little and cute. I just like it. Here is the shade. Hopefully you can see that right there. It feels very full coverage to me, just like the foundation. It's super creamy. The texture is nice. And I feel like a little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm already primed. I'm going to throw on some foundation, but I want to read things as I'm doing it again because I do feel rushed. And I'm so sorry, but I want to get this video out for you guys. So let me jump into this. So there is 32 shades of this concealer, which I think that's pretty good in my opinion. Deep, tan, medium, and light. The shade I got is the lightest shade, which is actually out of stock on the KVD website. Light 103, which is, no. Did I get, yeah, I got 103, which is for fair skin with cool pink undertones. I will do a quick summary. Oh, and it is $28, which, I mean, I'm not surprised by that price. Oh, as of right now, it has almost 4.5 stars, a 4.4 star on the KVD website. So it claims to be full coverage, extreme long wear for under the eyes, and it is for all skin tones. Undetectable, lightweight, you'll forget you're wearing it. It blends out easy for a natural skin-like finish. Smooth on the outside and hydrated on the inside. Apple extract helps nourish the delicate eye area. Has moisturizing benefits for all-day comfort and hydration. Seamless stretch. What does that mean? Ultra concentrated with interlaced pigments that evenly spread over skin for crease-resistant coverage and a brighter look. Blemishes and dark circles don't stand a chance. Interesting. The applicator is supposed to mimic your fingertip for precision and a soft touch. You can blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, a small brush, or just tap it in your skin with your fingers. When concealing, let the Good Apple Concealer sit on the skin for at least 30 seconds before blending to get boosted coverage. All right, let's jump into the concealer. I didn't want to put a bunch of concealer under my eyes or a bunch of foundation under my eyes. So let's get this on. Ooh, let's get this on. Oh yeah, that's nice. Feels very nice. I like the doe foots. I like, I don't know. The shade, you know what? The shade might work to give me a highlight. So I'm just going to go in like I usually do and go in. Let's get in there. I'm going to let it sit under my eyes like it recommends for the 30 seconds. It's blending super nice. Now I'm just using a damp beauty blender for this. Oh, wow, that looks really good. Sometimes on my nose, concealer can look really weird, almost like it's breaking up. But it looks really good on my nose. It's been about 30 seconds. Give or take. This is blending very nice. Oh my gosh, it blended like nothing. Oh, that looks so pretty. It blends out so easily. I love that. I would say it's definitely medium to full coverage, and it looks super hydrating. Dare I add more? See if we can build this up. I know you want to get in closer. Some of y'all did not like how far away I was in my get ready with me. So, oh my gosh. So I was just about to wipe this off. It takes some pressure to wipe that off. So does that mean you really don't have to set this? Let me get a little more on. Let's just go for it today. I want a little more highlight. That was crazy. Let me put a little bit here. I like to do this just to give a little pop of my cheekbone. I just like to do that. With a little second coat there, it still looks good. It doesn't look super cakey, at least like, you know, like right now. Oh, I hear them coming, bitch. Let me get you in here. They're coming. All right, hopefully you guys, this is close enough for you. I feel like it is starting to crease, but not as bad as other concealers that I've used, which is great. But I do have like, I mean, I'm human. I have creases under my eyes. Let's just be for real. It looks smooth. It doesn't look cakey. And especially with this foundation, it looks really good. I wouldn't say it's crease proof because I can definitely see some creases up under my eyes. Let me stop wiggling around so you can see. But I think it looks very hydrating underneath of the eyes. It's medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up. For us older gals, you know, in our, you know, pushing 40, a nice, good, hydrating concealer is a must, is a plus. And I think so far, so good. See, I feel like you can definitely see the crease. I feel like I can get y'all in closer. I got you in pretty damn close here. Let's see if you can see these creases. I'm sure you can. I have had way worse with other concealers before to where it also looked drying and cakey. I don't feel like this looks drying and cakey. I feel like it looks hydrated. I look awake. I think it looks really good right now. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, come back on camera, let you see that. I'm gonna try and like get out of here. I have a bunch of errands to run today because I do not want to sit here and listen to chainsaws again all day. So I'm gonna get out of the house and get some things done. Come back on camera when I get home, maybe do check-ins while I'm, you know, out and about. But let me do the rest of my makeup, come back on camera and see if anything's changed. So I'll be right back. All right, so I have my full face on. I've never done my makeup so quickly in my life. Not the point, but it doesn't look bad. All right, so I think we should zoom you in so you guys can see what's going on because that's why you're here. So I feel like I get a good highlight with the shade. So I do like that because I feel like I have more of an awake look. It looks super pretty. It does not look cakey at all. The creasing is not any worse. It's the same. Again, I wouldn't say it's crease proof. I don't know how you would even do that. How do you make a crease proof anything? I don't know, just my opinion, but it does look super hydrating. As of right now, I really, really like it. I think it looks beautiful underneath of my eyes. I used it a little bit down here. It looks beautiful. I really like it. So far, I really, really like it. So as of right now, it looks good. It is currently 10:43 in the morning. Again, gonna go out, run some errands, check in through the day, maybe on my phone in natural light. Hopefully when I get back later, they are gone. I feel like this is gonna be the last tree that they do today because it's probably the most complicated tree. And if the tree falls on my house, because it's probably only 5 feet away from the window, I don't want to be in this room. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get out of here, go have some fun, do some shopping, and let's see how this wears throughout the day. So let's go. All right, y'all, it's been a little over an hour since I applied this concealer. I'm literally sitting in a gas station and there's a guy selling Bengals sweatshirts. I'm from Cincinnati. And I wanted to get a sweatshirt that said the Super Bowl on it, but it also says AFC champions on it. I eyeballed him over the weekend and he was out of this size. So I finally got a Cincinnati Bengals shirt that says Super Bowl on it. I am so proud to be from Cincinnati. It's insane that we are in the Super Bowl. Anyway, I guess y'all, would rather know about the concealer, but living in Cincinnati all my life, us being in the Super Bowl is probably one of the most exciting things I'm ever getting to see. So, as I've always been a Bengals fan, even through the rough years. So, anyway, back to the concealer. When I first got into the car and saw the concealer, and I know this lighting sucks. Hello, yeah, the sun. First saw it in natural light. I'm like, oh my God, I look bright. I look awake. I am highlighted. It looks absolutely stunning in natural light. I'm still creasing, but it still looks super smooth and hydrating underneath my eyes, not cakey at all, even set with powder. It looks beautiful. I have high hopes for it. I think it's going to be long lasting for sure. Haven't had it on long enough to be able to tell, but I can go on red, and I'm just sitting here talking and not doing anything. So far, so good. All right, you guys, so I am back home. They're on top of the tree, right here on top of the tree. So if you hear chainsaws, that's what's going on. So I've had this on about 6 hours at this point. I do have some thoughts, good and bad. So let me get you in here so you can see for yourself. So you can definitely see the creasing. It's very creasy underneath of my eyes. I did not use a lot of powder. I feel like I used a lot of concealer. And I did not use a lot of powder because, again, the way that it kind of set on my hand, I figured it didn't need any powder or like a lot of powder. Clearly, I need more powder because it is super creasy underneath of my eyes. I will get you in closer in a minute. So that is the one thing. Now, I don't think it's like crease proof. I don't think any concealer is crease proof. You need to be a young child, who hasn't went through any obstacles in life, any stress, get perfect 8-9 hours of sleep every night, only eat vegetables and fruits, have a good diet, all that kind of stuff. You never rub your eyes. You get where I'm going. Or have enough money to get cosmetic procedures underneath of your eyes. I am just trying to look here. So it says seamless stretch, ultra concentrated with interlaced pigments that evenly spread over skin for crease resistant coverage and a brighter look. Blemishes and dark circles don't stand a chance. It's definitely not crease resistant, as you can tell. So that is false. What I can say is that I feel like it's super hydrating. It's not cakey. It looks really good underneath of the eyes. I do want to try to use this again and set it more, like use more powder underneath of my eyes. But I do find it moisturizing and I do find it hydrating. That is all true. I feel like it's also long wearing and gives a natural skin-like appearance. I do think that. I think you could go like super full coverage or keep it more on the light side and it will look beautiful. But the other thing I can say, I'm pretty sure my dog just threw up. Yeah, my dog, I think, just threw up. Fantastic. Now I forget what I was going to say. I've had other concealers that crease this much. I mean, like I said, I have fine lines and wrinkles under my eyes. I'm freaking human. I've had no filler or whatever you get on your eyes, Botox fillers. Do you even get Botox under your eyes? I have no idea. All concealers do this underneath of my eyes. This isn't any more than usual. And like I said, I usually set more. Like I usually put more powder under my eyes. So I feel like if I do that, it probably would crease less. But overall, I really, really enjoy this concealer. Hoping, as long as my freaking camera stays focused, that you can see the creasing underneath of my eye. Let me go to this eyeball. Hopefully, you can see the creasing on this eyeball. So yeah, it definitely creases. But to me, it doesn't look cakey. It just, you know, there's creasing for sure. I feel like this eye is a little worse than the other eye. You see that? There we go. But I don't feel like it looks super cakey. I don't know. Tell me what you think. All right, guys. So what are your thoughts on this concealer? Have you tried it? Are you going to try it? Is it something you're completely not even for? What are your thoughts? I don't know. So I think it's about time to wrap this video up. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.